Hi peeps. So here we go. This is what it looks like frozen, like a hot rock. Now hopefully this will come out the way I want it to. Okay, it kind of sort of did come out the way I wanted to. So we're just going to cut some. Actually, I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to cut it in 2 slices, but I want it to be not that long. Okay. Alright. That's the first half. You idea what they look like? These are the slices. So, next plan of attack. Hold on 1 second. All right. First, I'm going to get the grease to percolate. I'm going to need some eggs because I need to make a batter. Oh yeah. You have 3 trays. I'm going to have, 1 tray is going to have flour in it. The other tray is going to have egg batter. And then the last one is going to have breadcrumbs. So I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to use, I don't have enough of these small ones. So I think I'm going to use that one for flour because I have tons of flour. So let's get the flour one ready. This one's going to be I'll leave this around just in case I need to add some more eggs. And then the last one is going to be breadcrumbs. So all right. First one, we're going to dip it in flour. It's going to kind of help keep it together while it goes. Don't know how well this is going to turn out. Then we're going to dip it in some egg. And then some breadcrumbs. This is pretty much what it looks like. And then we're going to put it in some hot grease. Fry this over a little bit. So you have it, get a good look-see. Flour. Make sure it's fully covered in the flour. Then into the egg. Make sure the egg gets on there good. You may have to flip it a few times or more. Then from the eggs, straight into the breadcrumbs. Now, I would recommend wearing gloves because it will make your hand a hot mess. As you can see, mine. God, alrighty. Okay, as you can see, let me just move some of the stuff over. Alright, so I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit so we get it nice and golden brown, and then we're gonna come back for a quick taste test. Alright, peeps, so we're gonna make a little sauce. You can use some standard pizza sauce, tomato sauce, doesn't really matter what you use. What you want to use, dip it in. You can use some our favorite stuff. What is that stuff called? Mumbo sauce. That's a good idea. I'm gonna have to go get some mumbo sauce to see what this tastes like. So let's surprisingly it held together much better than I thought it would be. Look at the inside of that. Not too bad, but instead of mozzarella, it's literally mac and cheese. Now, what it smells like. If I came in here and I didn't know what was cooking, I thought somebody was cooking fish sticks. Now, that, it actually tastes pretty good. Oh my goodness. It's falling apart though. Let me get some mumbo sauce.